Hi, I'm Carl, co-founder and CEO of Thunder Compute. We make high-end GPUs affordable and dead simple to use. On Thunder Compute, you can spin up an A100 in a click, work right in VS Code or through our CLI tool, and only pay by the second. This is our web console. The Home tab lets you manage instances. You can start, stop, create, delete, etc., all in this table, and then below you can see your usage data. On the left, we have templates to get started quickly with common AI tools like Comfy UI and Ollama, and then snapshots let you restore state from instances you've used previously. When you create instances, you can choose the GPU, CPU, RAM, disk, much more granularly than you can on other clouds, and then you can see the pricing, where you're billed exactly to the second for what you use. If you need higher uptime, flip this switch to production, where you can access 1 to 4 GPU nodes with maximum reliability. In our VS Code extension, use the Thunder panel to start, stop, and modify instances directly through your editor. When you're ready to use the instance, click this arrow icon to connect to it in a new window. When you're done with the instance, you can stop it, and click the pencil icon to change specs or switch to production mode. We built Thunder Compute so that you can iterate faster and save on GPUs. Have questions? Ping us on Discord or email support@thundercompute.com. Our team is here to help you ship.